Think all countertop ice makers are the same? Think again. Watch this video until the end because I'll reveal which countertop ice maker is the best overall and offers the most value for your money. Whether you love chewable nugget ice for drinks, host parties, or simply want a reliable ice maker for your home, kitchen, RV, or office, this video is carefully researched to help you choose the right one without wasting your money. I'll cover each model's performance, standout features, real-world benefits, and biggest advantages. Let's start the countdown from number 5. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 5. ecozy Nugget Ice Maker. Starting our countdown is the ecozy Nugget Ice Maker, a premium smart countertop ice maker designed for users who want convenience along with modern technology. It produces up to 44 pounds of soft pebble ice every 24 hours and features smartphone app control, allowing you to monitor and control the machine remotely. Review highlights. The ecozy stands out because of its smart features and user-friendly design. The app control is genuinely useful, especially if you like preparing ice before guests arrive. It's an excellent choice for smart homes and anyone looking for premium convenience. Pros: smart app control for remote operation. Produces up to 44 pounds of nugget ice daily. Full-color intelligent control panel. Double-layer insulation keeps ice colder longer. Number 4. EUHOMY Ice Maker Silver. At number 4 is the silver version of the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker with handle. This portable machine starts producing soft nugget ice in as little as 6 minutes and can make up to 34 pounds every day. Its removable top cover makes cleaning easier, while the built-in handle allows you to carry it effortlessly between your kitchen, office, RV, or camping trips. Review highlights. This model offers an excellent balance between portability, speed, and ease of use. It's compact enough for small spaces while still delivering consistent nugget ice throughout the day. Pros: fresh nugget ice in about 6 minutes. Lightweight portable design with carrying handle. Convenient removable top cover. Auto cleaning for easy maintenance. Number 3. EUHOMY Ice Maker, 44 pounds. Taking the third spot is the larger capacity EUHOMY 44-pound Nugget Ice Maker. Designed for families and frequent entertainers, this model delivers a higher daily ice production while maintaining the soft, chewable pebble ice that many people love. Its self-cleaning function and efficient ice-making system make it a dependable option for everyday use. Review highlights. This model is ideal for households that consume plenty of ice. The increased production capacity means you'll spend less time waiting and more time enjoying cold beverages during parties, family gatherings, or busy summer days. Pros: produces up to 44 pounds of ice daily. Soft, chewable nugget ice. Reliable self-cleaning system. Great for families and entertaining guests. Number 2. EUHOMY Ice Maker, Black. Coming in at number 2 is the black edition of the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker. Like its silver counterpart, it delivers fresh nugget ice in only 6 minutes while producing up to 34 pounds every day. Its sleek black finish gives it a modern appearance that fits almost any kitchen or entertainment area. Review highlights. This machine combines fast performance, portability, and dependable operation into one affordable package. It's an excellent option for anyone who wants delicious nugget ice without paying premium prices. Pros: fast 6-minute ice production. Stylish modern black finish. Portable with comfortable carrying handle. Auto cleaning for easy maintenance. Number 1. EUHOMY Ice Maker, 35 pounds. This machine produces fresh pebble ice in about 7 minutes and delivers up to 35 pounds of ice every 24 hours. Powered by an efficient cooling system, it combines reliable performance, durable stainless steel construction, quiet operation, and simple maintenance into one complete package. Review highlights. The EUHOMY stainless steel model offers one of the best combinations of performance, durability, ease of use, and overall value. It consistently produces soft, chewable nugget ice while remaining compact enough for most countertops. Whether you're using it daily at home or for parties and gatherings, it delivers dependable performance. Pros: produces fresh nugget ice in around 7 minutes. Durable stainless steel construction. Quiet and energy-efficient operation. Excellent overall performance and value. Self-cleaning with included ice basket and scoop. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Now, as promised, let's talk about the best product overall. After comparing ice quality, production speed, daily capacity, build quality, ease of maintenance, features, and overall value, the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker Countertop stainless steel earns our best overall recommendation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the links in the description below to check today's latest prices and deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.